planners பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அண்ட் ரிவ்யூ. நான் இது வரைக்கும் அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் ரிவ்யூ எல்லாம் பண்ணதில்லை. I bought a 2 planner actually. இது வந்து happy planning from pick it out. Then hello planner, this is from MAICARA. Okay, இது unboxing already நான் உங்களுக்கு பண்ணி காமிச்சேன். It's my first time I'm using the planner now, so we'll have a look. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் டைரிஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன், but that is for like a kind of diary I am using is like இந்த மாதிரி குட்டி குட்டி pocket diaries மாதிரி. So my newer wishes அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I was using this diary since 2010. I used to write my bucket list and wishes and everything. Then this is a small note regarding my budgets and everything, mail IDs. Okay, so first time I'm trying this. Okay, now we'll have a look at this. It's like a doodle packaging. Okay, compliment stuffs. Okay, here we got a small diary. Create your next big thing. Okay, then I got a letter. Hello dear customer, like a planner guide. So this is divided into 3 sections: yearly sections, monthly sections and daily sections, with a lot of love. Team pop it out. Then we get a compliment of this bookmark. It's cute, right? Life is short, swing high into new normal. Okay, this happy planner belongs to, okay, yourself here. Then reading list, habits, free talk for future you. So here is a goal. And travel itinerary, track your progress. So 2021 yearly overview. So vision board, 21 things you missed in 2020. Dance like no one is watching. Okay, here the starts is the monthly thing. So January, yeah. Now they have given monthly to-dos, important events, goals of the month, notes. It's nice, right? For the different month they have used different colors, doodles and everything, doodling stuffs. Okay, right. So here it's like a calendar thing: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, everything. So what are the events you're gonna like mark it out. So here it is like a week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 task planner. Then again a shopping list, monthly expenses, plan away your expenses and your habit. Daily section, so date here and what are the stuffs you can just write it down. So same like February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So we got some stickers here. It's cute, right? Cute stickers. Then we got a pen holder here. That's it about this planner. Okay, so now, so next I'm gonna review about this one. Cute doodle in it. People doodle with a mask. Mandatory thing. Okay, now let's start. Do all things with love. Planner 2021. So this doc belongs to, okay, personal information, contacts, okay, calendar, and year in pixels. I am, I can, I do, I will. Okay, you are stronger than you think. Great. Okay, birthday, anniversaries, and this is bookstagram. Okay, movie, series, watch list. Okay, this is definitely the needed one for me. Bucket list, of course. Travel goals, I think. Goal planner, this is cool. Okay, positive energy, goal planner. Okay, then medical histories. Okay, this is nice, right? Okay, medicine, time, dosage. Okay, nice. Then social media stars. Okay, how planner this is. Okay, this one is January, week at a glance. Okay, like overall month thing. Schedule, glossary list, shopping list. Then week focus, note, ideas, goals, expenses, amount, weekly goals. Then yeah, same thing. Important things to note down. Okay, these carries on the same pages. Okay, everything. Okay, then yeah, monthly meal planner. Definitely it will help you. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Okay, what you're gonna have it planning. Then exercise tracker, water, sleep, no sugar, no junk. Then habit tracker. Okay, sick days, prayer days, habit to grow, habit to kill. Okay, then monthly budget, checking, saving goals. January at a glance. Okay, checklist, appointments, top goals, important events to do, the 3 lessons I have learned from this month. Okay, so yeah, good. Yeah, this is good. So same like for each month it carries on. December, the final page. Okay, now weight tracker. Okay, the 2021, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, tracking of your weights. Weight loss tracker. Okay, travel plan, financial goal tracker. Okay, goal, start day, progress. Okay, 10%, 25% completion done. Okay, it's cool. Then utility bill tracker. Okay, water, current, gas, then Wi-Fi. It's cool here. Bill tracker. Okay, credit card trackers. Oh, okay. Then debt payment. Okay, debt payment, investment tracker, yearly financial overview. Then down the memory lane. Okay, you can just paste some of those memory stuffs which you love to stick it on. I'm grateful for. Year at the glance, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay. Okay, brain term. It's a kind of doodling stuff. You just doodle it on this page, and this is for coloring. Okay, this quite interesting stuff here. Then here is the pocket. Okay, so this is my first time I'm going to use the planner. Excited to use it. Okay, now I feel I like this one, the planner, MAICARA. Do all things with love. Because like yeah, even though it is very colorful, this planner is from, pick it out. This is very colorful, very attractive, and the stuffs you get it like a stickers, the pages, colors and everything. It's quite awesome. Seriously, I just love this planner because like you have more details to update here, and it is definitely needed to every person. It's kind of stuffs which comes with all thing, because exercise tracker is there, food planner is there, weekly glance is there, then what else, yeah, monthly menu planner, then what else, investment tracker, yearly financial overview, and utility. This is a great part, utility bill tracker. Yeah, then travel itinerary, financial goals. Okay, this planner, I just love this. Okay, this planner I got it from a discount. This is 999 and this is 1299. Okay, that's all about that. Or if you feel like it's too expensive for you to buy, you can keep track your things in a simple diary or notebook, something like that. So yeah, happy new year and happy 2021. Bye, take care.